Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Shiba Inu, some other meme coins, because these meme coins are important to pay attention to, especially when they're telling a story. And I want to tell you guys about the story that they're saying, how I'm interpreting it, and what it means for the overall market. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. So guys, right now Bitcoin is trading at $63,485, up about 2.64%. All in all here, guys, liquidity is moving back into the market. Bitcoin dominance chopping around with the overall trend being to the downside. We came up, hit that 57% level, and now we're slowly climbing back down. When you exclude stablecoins, 55.35%, about 2% off of the 57%. I expect this to continue to make its way to the downside until Bitcoin really makes that big parabolic move with the impulse wave to the new macro cycle high. And that's when I expect dominance to really start to rally significantly. But until then, there's opportunity for some of these altcoins. So let's talk about some of these altcoins. Let's talk about some of these meme coins. Let's talk about Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Dog with Hat, Bonk, even some Cronos ones. The new ones that are out, Croaky. You know, on the Cronos ecosystem, they're a little bit immature. They're not mature enough to really get market signal from just yet. But when we look at Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, it's showing a story. When we look at Shiba Inu, we're starting to see a move to the upside right now. We're seeing market sentiment saying, okay, we think that the market can make a move to the upside. We think that the bull market is still on, even though last few days when we were around $56,000 Bitcoin, people were basically saying, oh, it's over. The macro cycle top is in, which I've been very consistent with saying, no, it's not. But we'll talk about where we're at in the cycle later on in this video. But so far, over the past 2 days, Shiba Inu is up about 17%, guys. I want you to pay attention to this trend line right here. Until this trend line is really broken, we're in the bull market zone for meme coins. I know it's interesting when you start to pick apart meme coins and try to do technical analysis. Some people will laugh at that, but it's very true that there are important signals to be pulling from these meme coins. When you see meme coins running, it tells you what the overall market sentiment is, especially if quote-unquote smart money is buying meme coins. You know, the buzzword that's been going around over the past year or so has been an attention economy. And that's exactly what we're in. It is a very, very true thing. That's why we're seeing these meme coins make big moves. And, you know, it's really interesting to see how Shiba Inu has really adapted to this overall market and evolved. Because at first it was just a meme coin. It was just a meme coin. And it garnered a lot of attention. But now it's more than a meme coin. It's a project. It has Shiba Swap. It has an ecosystem. It has Bone and Leash that can be used on their platform. And what I really want you to understand is how this has matured, and a lot of people that are retail investors, or once were retail investors, that are new to crypto, that came back in 2021 and rode this all the way down and didn't capitulate, which I think the majority of people did. There's definitely some holders still that are reaping the rewards right now. They recognize, hey, maybe if it's to their own fault, they say, oh, Bitcoin's too expensive. I can't make money from that. I can't get rich quick from that. What about Dogecoin? Can it get to $1? Because they don't know and grasp the concept of a market cap. But it doesn't matter. What matters is where the money's flowing to. And over the past year, it's been very apparent that the money is flowing into meme coins. Shiba Inu, for example. Now, do I own a Shiba Inu? I used to. I used to trade Shiba Inu. I'll open longs on it. I like it. Will I be opening a long after seeing this move to the upside? No. But do I think it can continue and reach its previous high? Yes, I do. I like to trade a little bit more smaller meme coins. But I'm not saying that Shiba Inu is not going to perform well. I just want you guys to understand that seeing meme coins hold up as well as they are right now is just another indication that the bull market's not over, guys. We have another move to the upside. And I want to give you guys my opinion on where I think we're at in the overall cycle. And we're going to pick apart Bitcoin. But before that, go follow me on Instagram at 333Blacksea. If I can get to 300 followers in the next 3 days, I will give away $300 worth of crypto to one of you guys that follows me. So go follow me there. So where are we at on Bitcoin? Bitcoin has some bear signals. That's for sure. I was talking about that the other day. There's some curvature happening in the overall market structure. But that being said, we did get a very nice bounce off of the line here at 58,000. We didn't have candle closes below that on the daily. The real question is, can we get above 66,000, 67,000? But as of right now, this is a bullish engulfing candle right here. It's very good. That is a bullish signal. The question is, can we see continuation here? You know, I've been saying for a while now that I think that as we were putting in this corrective move, that was probably going to be time to cool off, trade sideways, and honestly, if we trade sideways for a month or two, it will set us up for a longer bull market, higher price targets, higher for longer, more money to be made. But I was saying if we decide to break above that sooner than later, like around the halving, which we are basically at right now, I think that the top for this cycle will be much sooner than people expect and will probably catch a lot of people off guard. You need to be paying attention to both of these scenarios, guys. You need to believe this space is a winner this cycle. And not everybody will win. The majority of people will lose. You got to be taking profits along the way, especially when we're talking about Shiba Inu and meme coins. But the important thing to know here is as we trade sideways, it's increasing the length of this cycle. It's increasing the opportunity for higher price targets. And we're seeing a bounce here. We're seeing a bounce. The real question is, do we get these candle closes? Does this bounce continue to the upside, or are we putting in a little tiny bull trap? Time will tell. Time will tell. I will be the first person to tell you those two options, we haven't made a decision yet. We could go either which way. But if we get a daily candle close above 67,000, we're probably going to be starting to aim for a target around $90,000, 88K. Do I want to see that? Sure. Everybody loves to see a higher price target. But do I want to see that right now? No. I want to see sideways price action because that will set us up for a higher bull market Bitcoin price above 100,000, 140,000. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Do you think we're going to have a shorter bull market cycle? Do you think we're going to have the normal cycle ending in 2025, the summer of 2025 or in August? What do you think about Shiba Inu posturing for a large move to the upside, holding up very well even after a big Bitcoin sell-off, and seeing Dogecoin be up 20-some% today and Shiba Inu being up almost 20%. Very interesting. If you're a Shiba Inu holder, guys, it's a wild ride, but there's money to be made in these meme coins, without a doubt. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. If you want to check out some awesome referral links, we have a $4,100 sign-in bonus below in the description box. All you got to do is click the link to Femex, deposit, trade a little bit, get a bunch of free money. That's all I got for you guys. Hit that like button, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.